frequency identification, or RFID, is an incredibly simple piece of technology that fits into a silicone wristband or onto a sticker. We're using wristbands here at Kelvin Hall. The customer wears it on their wrist, it looks like this. We just brand the thing and they can use that to identify themselves to us. So it replaces the membership card effectively. It's turned out to be incredibly effective. Customers are quite happy to wear the wristband. It's convenient, they're not digging for it in a wallet or a purse. It's there about their person and it's easy for them to remember it. And you can swim with it on, so it's convenient. For us, it's the fact that it joins up the whole customer journey. So the customer with this wristband can walk into the venue, they can walk straight up to a gate, they don't even need to go to reception. And by touching the wristband on a reader on the gate, they can enter the venue. They can then use that same wristband to choose a locker and lock the locker. So they're not looking for change, we're reducing the amount of transactions that are going on at reception, and that's speeding things up for everybody. Queues are moving faster, and customers just have a joined up journey without having to find 50 pence or £1 and a membership card, less to carry. So it's smoother all round for the customers and for us. The journey starts before they even enter the venue because we've bought into using Mobile Pro. So that's a mobile app where customers can book their fitness class, they can look at the schedule, choose a class, make their booking, and then turn up at the venue with their wristband on, walk straight up to that turnstile and touch it on the reader. And the system knows that they're booked into a class and will mark them as having attended that class, knowing that they're there in the building.
Over here at Edinburgh Leisure Centre, our staff and customers have welcomed the technology. The staff on behalf of the time saved from setting up the system, and our customers for the time saved coming through the access gates, as well as the seamless connection to their technology through their own apps. When the customers come into the facility, what's fantastic is they can get right through the easy access gates. So for them, they can just go through, click into the gym, and that's them coming through here. So we've seen it already on our NPS system that we use, where customers are delighted that they're not having to queue anymore at reception when they are just wanting to swipe in. They then can come into the gym, go up to the equipment, and using their RFID cards, whether it be the fobs or the cards themselves, they click into the machine because the equipment we have here does read RFID, and it then can click straight into their exercise account through LF Connect. Through LF Connect, that then acts as a gateway for them to then it can speak to their apps that they've got, so their wearables, so it can speak to MyFitnessPal. So by the time they've left the gym, their wearables and MyFitnessPal accounts have all been updated with their calories burnt, etc. So we're getting a real bit of feedback for the customers on how good that is. For the gym teams themselves, they used to spend sometimes up to 10 minutes having to sign people up and logging onto the system. What's our beauty now is as the customers sign up at reception or with our membership advisor, it's now done. So there's nothing really that the gym team need to do other than go through the functionality, which is ideally their job, rather than doing some administration work on setting up onto the technology. So for me, it's made it a sticky process, which is good, and which means the customers do like it, they're drawn to it, and it's not something that they get to a point and it's a block and a barrier which then prevents them from using it. So it means from a digital experience, it's seamless for us, and I think that's the word for us that I use and the staff use. It's a seamless experience for them.